Children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic play with patterns of maths subject in maths textbook page number 107. Today I am going to teach you play with patterns. So children, look at here. Tinu use this block to make a sari. Do you know use of this block to make a sari? So look at here, this sari is given here. Here the use of the block upside this type of pattern. Then here that block use of downside of this type pattern. And here that block use of right side and left side. So it is looking very nice. Now next he made this bedsheet with the same block. Okay, there's this one block that use and that is join this block. So one four square type of design is made, so that it is looking very nice of bedsheet. Now next page number 108. He also made this dupatta with the same block. The same block that is used, one is upside, one is downside. One is up, one is downside. So this type that is use of the dupatta. Okay, so this pattern also looking is very nice. So we have to see in here three patterns. One of this pattern, second is four square type this pattern, and third one is this pattern. Means one block that is use of three different type of patterns. Okay, now we can see here next. Can you see how Tinu made different pattern using the same block? Now you to make three different pattern using this type of block. What said that a Tinu use of this block and the use of the three different type of method. So we also use of this block and we have to make a different type of pattern. So look at here, we have to this block, we have to do of this upside this type, and second is downside of this type. Okay, now next time we use of one, this both up and down, both is join of this type, and one up and one down. This pattern we have to make. Okay, so other you are made of this pattern. This is your homework. You have to here draw yourself this type, one this type up, one this type of down, and this side to up, and this pattern you have to make in here and this type on up. Okay, now next third time of patterns. So we have to use of this block of 1 2 3 4 side this type, and that one design other we have to make. Means three patterns we have to do. One this upside this type, all other here is downside all this type. Now second pattern both are joined, one down one up, and this type of pattern is joined. Now third pattern is four together we have to take, and one design we have to make. Okay, so this other block is empty, that you do this pattern you have to draw here. That is your homework. Okay, now next Yamini has used her block to make a few pattern. Help her to take this pattern forward. Okay, Yamini have one block of this type of leaf. So this block that is use of one up and one this right side. Okay, now here that use of one up, one right side, and one down side. Okay, now that pattern that he's joined this one up, right, down, and left. Okay, now next here is we have given our one leaf. So now that pattern we have to forward, one after that two leaf, one up and one is right side. Okay, then next three patterns, this 1 2 3 leaves we have to take, one up, right, and down side. This pattern that we have to use of other four leaf, this time up, right, down, and left side. Okay, now next Here we have to see this two design downside. Here is given upside this design. This pattern is given to downside. Here is given this pattern that two leaves type this pattern that is upside. This two after that is started 3. 3 is downside and 3 is upside. So we have to take in here 4. 3 after this 4. So 4 is the downside. First is given down. So first we have to take here down. And after this 4 is take upside. Now 4 after that 5. 5 we have to use of down side. Okay. Now next, here is a given one circle that is the 4 part. One part is the color it. Okay. That is the next pattern, that is second part is coloring. Now third pattern, we have to see this third part. First, second, this third part is color. Now here you have to see here this circle, this one, fourth part, 3, then that is moving, this moving around 1, 2, 3, 4, this type. First one, this, then second 2, now third this one, and then last is the fourth one. This are color it, red color it. Okay. Now then after this, then after we have to see first part our we start. So we have to make a circle of this type of first part. Then after this second part we have to see here second part of this type we have to set of this color, red color, so we have to set. Okay, this you draw it yourself. Okay, this is your, you can see this, I will send this PDF, you see, and you have to draw. Okay, now next children, look at here, we can also make pattern with numbers and letters. Below are a few example, can you take them forward? Okay, here is our is given alphabet letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, I after which letter will come, that is take one that block that 3 letter take. One is A, B, C, then D, E, F 3 letter, G, H, I also 3 letters. So I after which letter will come? J. So J, K, L, this 3 letter is over one block. Then after this block L after M. So M, N, O, that we have to take. O after we have to take P, Q, R. Okay. So one more block here is taken 3 letters. Okay. Now next is here we have to see this the number and alphabet both. First is given 28 Z, then next is 27 Y. Means one number is reducing and one letter also reduce. Z, that is going last to first. This type the letter is going last to first, descending order type. So Z, then Y that came. Now here number also reduce 27. Before number is 26, 27 we have to one reduce number, so 26 came. That Y then before X, so 26X. Okay, that is our given. Then next we have to do, so 26 before one number is 25. Okay, reducing one number is 25. X before which letter came? W. Okay, 25 then one reducing number means 24. That type W. Then descending, then next number before number is V. Okay, 24, that one before number one reduced number, so 23. That same message is V. That one V, then one before number is U. Okay, U. So one reducing alphabet, and here also descending order type, and number also one reducing, one descending order type, that is go. Okay, now next third pattern we have to see. First number is 864 and second number is 764. So that is a difference is 100. And reducing this one number is reducing, 100 number that is reduced. So 764, that 100 we have to minus, so 664 come. 664 then 100 minus, so 564 came. 564 we have to 100 minus, so 464 came. And 464 we have to minus 100 number, so 364 number came. Okay, now next is here is given 9 and then next 109 means 100 number is increasing. 9 that increase 100 numbers, so 109. 109 increase 100 number, add 100 numbers, so 209. 209 is add 100 numbers, so 309 came. 309 we have to add 100 numbers, so 409, and 409 we have to add 100 number, so 509. Now next, now write your own number pattern. So here we not has given number, we have to write. So we have to write here 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Now here we have to take if 950. So here we have 200 number is reducing, so 850. That 100 number is reducing, so 750. That 100 number reducing, so 650. This 650, 100 we have to reduce to 550. 550 we have to reduce 100 number, so number will get 450. So children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send in PDF. Thank you children.